name is BC Hoffman with Chef BC from DC Catering, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian herb roasted chicken fillet. So you can totally use whatever you want for the vegetarian herb roasted chicken. It does not have to be chicken. I am using chicken today, but again, viewers, you can totally use seafood, you can use tofu, you can use ATP, you can use anything that is not chicken. Completely up to you. You're going to cook it the exact same way. The cook time is going to be almost identical. First we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken, we're going to butterfly the breast, and then we're going to take our herbs. I have a combination of dill, cilantro, parsley, and chives. We're going to mix that up with butter, and a little bit of lemon juice, garlic, and we're going to literally make a paste almost with that. We're going to literally spread that all over our chicken breast, pat it down nice and thick, a little salt, a little pepper, done. That we're going to then take, put in the fridge, and we're going to then put that on the grill when we're ready to use it, but you want it to chill for about 10 to 15 minutes minimum. Okay. And then we have our root vegetables, which we're going to roast. We have beets, we have carrots, and we have sunchokes. And all we're going to do with those is we're going to add a little ginger, a little garlic, a little olive oil. We're going to toss that with a little salt and pepper, wrap it up, make a nice tight fold with aluminum foil around it, seal in all the edges, keep that moisture in there so it's going to literally steam and roast the veggies as soon as we open it up and put it under the broiler. Easy, breezy, beautiful root vegetable grill. And there you have it, guys. Our amazing vegetarian herb roasted chicken fillet ready for you.